Namaste everyone. Today we are going to practice relaxation asanas. I will do all the asanas. You will watch me and follow me the same. First, we are going to practice Padmasana. We will sit straight or both the hands on our both the laps. We'll close our eyes and we'll do normal breathe in and breathe out exercise. We'll calm our mind and we'll relax. We'll sit straight and we'll hold this position as much as we can. Don't open your eyes and concentrate on your breathing. Make your body calm. Relax your body. Now we are going to perform Buddha Padmasana. This asana will look like Lord Buddha is sitting. We'll just take our both the hands near our abdomen. We'll keep our one hand on other hand and we'll sit straight, eyes closed, and concentrate on your breathing. Slowly breathe in and breathe out. We'll hold this position as much as we can and we'll try to calm our body and relax our body. This type of asanas help us to improve our concentration. Close your eyes and sit straight. Now we are going to perform Vajrasana. For this, we'll fold our both the legs and we'll sit on our legs and we'll hold the same position as Lord Buddha. We will close our eyes and we will concentrate on our breathing. Breathe in and breathe out. Try to relax your body and calm your mind. Concentrate on your breathing. Don't open your eyes and be in the same position as much as you can. Now we are going to perform second variation of Vajrasana. For this I am changing my direction. You can sit in the same way as you are sitting now. Just place your hands on your thighs, far from your abdomen. Hold this position, close your eyes and concentrate on your breathing. Try to calm your mind and relax your body. Please don't open your eyes and try to concentrate on your breathing. Now we are going to perform Shashkasana. For this, we will slowly take our both the hands in the front. We'll stretch our both the hands forward and we'll try to touch our forehead on the ground. And we'll do normal breathe in and breathe out exercise. We'll hold this position as much as we can. We'll try to relax our body. Hold this position for few more seconds. Then slowly come up. Now we are going to perform Balasana. For this exercise, we'll split our both the legs sideways. We'll again touch our forehead on the ground and we'll take our both the hands behind. We'll do normal breathe in and breathe out exercise, and we will hold this position as much as we can, and we'll try to relax our body. Hold this position for few more seconds. Now slowly come up. Now we are going to perform Supta Baddha Konasana Variation 1. For this, we are going to bring our both the legs closer to our body like a butterfly pose. Then we are going to sleep on our back and we'll spread our both the hands apart from your body. We will hold this position. We'll close our eyes. We'll normally breathe in and breathe out. And we'll try to hold this position as much as you can. We will do normal breathe in and breathe out exercise, and we'll try to calm our mind and we'll relax our body. Be there for a few more seconds. Now we are going to perform Supta Baddha Konasana Variation 2. For this asana, we are going to take our both the hands up and we will perform this asana. Again, close your eyes. Normal breathe in and breathe out. Concentrate on your breathing. Calm your mind and relax your body. All these asanas we are performing to relax our body. Be there for a few more seconds. Now we are going to perform Matsya Kriyasana. Matsya means fish. For this asana, we are going to lie down on our stomach. We'll turn our head on one side. Our right hand under our head and our left hand near our stomach. We'll take our left leg near our stomach, we'll fold it and we'll hold this position as much as we can. Again, normal breathe in and breathe out and relax your body. Be there for few more seconds. We are going to perform this asana to our both the side. Now we are going to perform this asana to our opposite side. For this, I will change my angle. You will be in the same position if you can, or else you can also change the angle to see me. Now, my left hand will be under my head, my right hand near my stomach, my right leg folded near my stomach. Hold this position and do the same exercise. Breathe in and breathe out and relax your body. Be there for few more seconds. Relax your body. Now we are going to perform Makarasana variation 1. For this asana, I am going to lie down on my stomach. I will fold my both the hands in front, one upon each, and I will spread my both the legs apart from each other. Hold this position and relax your body. Normal breathe in and breathe out. Try to calm your mind. Be there as much as you can. Be there for a few more seconds. Relax your body. Now we are going to perform Makarasana variation 2. For this, we lift our head up and will give support with our both the hands to our head and hold this position as much as we can. Normal breathe in and breathe out and try to relax your body. Be there for a few more seconds. Relax your body. Now we are going to perform Adhvasana. For this, we'll take our both the hands in the front. We'll join our both the legs and we'll hold this position as much as we can. Join your both the legs and do normal breathe in and breathe out exercise. Hold this position. Relax your mind, relax your body, and try to be there as much as you can. Be there for a few more seconds. Now we are going to perform Shavasana. Shav means a dead body. So we are going to act like a dead body. We'll lie down on our back. We'll spread our both the legs apart from each other, both the hands apart from our body, eyes closed, and hold this position as much as you can. Do normal breathe in and breathe out exercise and try to calm your mind and relax your body. Be there for a few more seconds. Now slowly turn towards your one side, get up and sit. Fold your both the legs, hands on your laps, eyes closed, and try to recall what we have learned today. Calm your mind, relax your body, hold this position. Now we are heading towards our end of this session. Now slowly open your eyes. That's all for today's session. Thank you very much. See you in next class. Have a nice day.